Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove bookmarks from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to clean up a document or remove navigation markers that are no longer relevant to your project. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in to access all the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're logged in, navigate to your recent files. This section displays all the PDFs you've recently worked on, making it easy to find the document you need. Go ahead and select the file from which you want to remove bookmarks. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your PDF is open, direct your attention to the right panel of the interface. Here you'll find various tools and options for editing your document. Look for the icon labeled Add, Delete, or Go to a specific bookmark. This icon is your gateway to managing all the bookmarks within your PDF. Click on it to reveal the Bookmarks panel, which will show you a list of all existing bookmarks in the document. In the Bookmarks panel, you'll see all the bookmarks that have been created for this PDF. Scroll through the list and click on the specific bookmark you want to delete. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a trash icon appears. This icon is typically located near the top of the Bookmarks panel or next to the selected bookmark. Click the trash icon to proceed with deleting that bookmark. The bookmark will be removed from your document immediately. If you have multiple bookmarks to remove, simply repeat these steps for each one. Click on the next bookmark you want to delete, then click the trash icon again. Continue this process until you've removed all the unwanted bookmarks from your PDF. This might take a few moments if you have several bookmarks to clear, but the process is straightforward and consistent. Once you've finished removing all the bookmarks you no longer need, it's time to save your changes. In the upper right corner of the screen, locate and click the Save button. This ensures that all your modifications are permanently applied to the PDF. Give Adobe Acrobat a moment to process and save your changes, and there you have it. You've successfully removed unwanted bookmarks from your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.